Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to this week's food haul and meal plan. So this week I've done an Amazon Morrisons order and I feel like I have forgotten quite a few things, so I am going to have to go to another shop to pick up the rest. And it was quite expensive. I think it came to like 70 something, but they do charge you extra just in case they have substitutes, which I don't like. Obviously other shops, if there's a substitute, then you just pay the price that you were originally going to pay, even if their substitute is more expensive. Whereas with this, they charge more just in case for substitutes, and then if they don't need to use that, then you get the money back like after a few days, I think. But yeah, anyway, let's just get into it. I'll show you what I bought. Oh, hello Mina.
Oh.
Made me jump.
I'm just doing Daddy's paper to put this in the kitchen rack. I might join in too.
Alright, okay.
I might join.
Well, I literally just finished saying that I just finished saying what I'm gonna do, and now I'm gonna do the haul.
Do you want to see what? This is only my like.
Yeah.
You want to show them what I'm doing?
No.
It's just a bit weird, isn't it?
Okay, I think we'll get straight into the food haul now.
Yeah.
So Mila wanted to help show what we've got.
I want to do the whole thing.
Oh, you want to do the whole thing? Okay, go on then.
Oranges first. Yeah, oranges now. Let me read them.
Yep.
It says sweet clams, easy peelers.
Yep, well done.
But they're really oranges. They're not easy peelers.
Well, the other ones that I got were oranges, the bigger ones, so I've still got some left. These ones are oranges, you have to cut them up, whereas these ones,
You can peel.
you can peel them. That's why they're easy peelers. Anyway, what's next?
We have baby plum. No, not that. Baby plum tomatoes.
That's right. What else?
A giant cucumber.
Yep.
A pepper.
Yep. I have still got some left, so that's why I just ordered one.
Yeah. And we have a bunch of pears.
Yep.
And we have some bananas.
Yep.
I'm just weighing them. I don't know why.
Okay.
Now, some yummy carrots.
Yeah, carrot.
Had some yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, orange juice.
Yeah.
It says juice smooth, 100 pure squeezed fruit.
Yeah, it's 100% pure squeezed fruit. That's what we like.
Strawberry, banana, and black currant smoothies.
Yeah, those are the ones that you wanted, aren't they?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull that.
And I asked Jack if he wanted some, but he didn't.
Whipped cream.
Yeah, we love a bit of whipped cream, don't we?
Yeah. That's why I haven't been wanting like what was that again? Oh yeah.
Hot chocolate?
Not the hot chocolate.
What?
The only thing that's
Oh,
left is
mince pie.
yeah, mince pie because I like
You wanted to have cream with it, and I didn't have any cream. Well, now,
Yeah.
now you can.
you know. We have eggs.
Yeah, and these eggs are brown.
That is weird.
But then look, did you see those eggs, Mila? These ones, what we got last time, were white.
Yeah, I saw them.
Yeah, but everyone that I asked said that they are nutritionally the same. I think it's just a different type of chicken. But yeah, they're the same anyway, so it's fine.
We have this yogurt. I just guessed.
Cream.
I thought it was yogurt.
Yeah, this is cream. This is one that Daddy likes having on his mince pies,
And it's
isn't it?
British double cream.
That's right.
And this is strawberry flavour.
Yogurt drinks.
Yogurt drinks.
Yeah, I wanted to get more of these. Every time I tried to add more, it wouldn't let me, so that's annoying. We have still, I bought a couple of packs yesterday from Sainsbury's, but annoyingly I didn't have a nectar card. I've only got like an online one, so I had to pay the full price, which was like £2.40, whereas these were £1.50 from Morrisons, but never mind. Oh, and look what's at the back, Mila.
Cow milk.
Cow milk, yeah.
I am cow milk.
That's for you.
Yes, because I'm the only one in the house.
Wow, Daddy likes it as well.
Yeah, but I'm the only person that only likes cow milk. I don't like the oat milk.
Yeah, I haven't got any oat milk because we've still got lots because Jack hasn't really been wanting it. So I've just got a whole milk for you and Daddy.
Yeah. But Daddy also has the oat milk, doesn't he?
He does sometimes, yeah.
Yes, I'm the only one who only likes cow.
Yeah, you don't like oat milk. Yeah.
I don't like it.
Right, what we got next?
Yeah, this is back bacon. I guess straight away bacon.
You love bacon, don't you?
I love bacon so much.
And you decided on our meal plan this week, didn't you?
Yeah.
And one of the things you chose was beans on toast, but I thought you might prefer to have beans on toast with maybe like bacon, sausage, eggs, so it's more like a fried breakfast.
Yeah, fried breakfast.
Okay, what else have we got? Remember to go up this way so we don't forget things.
Gammon steaks.
Gammon steaks.
Steaks.
I thought we would have that with our roast dinner today. There's only 2 in there, but I thought we could just share one, couldn't we? And Daddy could have one. Jack doesn't eat it anyway, so.
Share what?
One of these, like have half of one of these each.
Oh.
Is that alright?
Yeah. But I need to try it because I don't really like steak.
No, it's not steak, it's gammon.
Gammon?
You know like when we have ham in a roast?
Yeah.
That's what it's like, so you do like it.
Alright, so diced breast filled steak, something like that.
It's chicken breast, so I'm going to use that to make a curry.
It doesn't look so good.
It doesn't look good because it's not cooked yet.
Yeah, and I have no idea what this is.
Flatbread. Flatbread,
Yeah.
yeah.
I read it as soon as you said it.
So one of the things that you really like to have is kebab, isn't it? But they don't have the kebab meat here, so I'm going to have to buy that from Iceland. But I got the flatbreads from here because that was another meal that you chose, wasn't it?
Yeah, I love it. I love the bread with the kebab. Kebab, I love so much.
Kebab. It's kebab.
Oh, kebab. I keep saying it's kebab.
I know. Right, what else have we got?
I keep saying it. Salted peanuts. Jack loves salted peanuts.
He loves them. And he loves these ones. And it's a huge bag, so that should last ages. The other ones I got from a different shop the other day are, you know, the more expensive ones.
And they're tiny.
And he won't eat them. He doesn't like them. I think he said that they have too much salt on and they're too big. So, but these ones are good and he likes these. So, yeah. What else have we got?
have thick multi-seed loaf.
Yeah.
And it says the best on there.
Yeah, the best one. You like that bread as well, don't you?
Yeah, I love it.
Me too. What else?
We have custard.
Yeah.
Coconut milk, because Jack wanted to try coconut milk.
Well, not that kind of coconut milk. This is
Oh.
the one to go in the curry, actually. I forgot that you wanted to try coconut milk.
Yeah.
I'll have to get that next time.
And we've got Hobbins, OT, flapjack, coconut, maroon flavour.
Yeah, we like those coconut macaroon
Yeah.
flapjacks. What else have we got?
A Kit Kat.
Yeah, I thought we'd get some Kit Kats for the treat box.
Yeah, because we don't have many options for food.
Oh no, the treat box only has mince pies in at the moment, doesn't
Yeah, only mince pies.
it? Right, what else?
Pombe!
Yeah, it's got some pumbas.
And prawn cocktail flavour
Prawn cocktail flavour curries.
waffle fries.
Waffle fries, yeah.
Oh, I love waffle fries.
Yeah, we love waffle fries. And Jack sometimes likes them, so let's hope that he likes them this time.
And we got
Oh, the most exciting thing is next.
caramelized biscuits. Guanja.
It's the hard word, it's gatto.
I thought it was ganwise
You did it. It's caramelised biscuit gatto, and I cannot wait to eat it. It was £3.70, so I was like, and it's like a big 8 servings cake, but it looks so good. It's creamy caramelised biscuit mousse layered with chocolate sponge, finished with caramelised biscuit sauce and a crumb topping. So nice. Can't wait to have that.
And it's snowy ice cream lollies.
Yeah.
We don't have any
We don't
ice
have
cream.
any, no.
We did used to have the tree
Oh
ones.
yeah, I got the Christmas tree ones, didn't I?
Yeah.
But yeah, I
they're all
thought
gone now.
these would be another nice Christmassy treat for you guys.
Yeah.
And what else have we got?
We have full battered white fish fingers.
Fillets. Because you wanted fish and chips as one of the meals, didn't you?
Yes. And you finish it off?
I'll finish it off, okay. And these drinks are for Dan's work lunches. He likes to take some flavoured water. And then I got another Vimto. We went through the other one so quickly because I keep having hot squash because I love hot squash. And then I got this because I was reading online somewhere that like magnesium is good for you, and you don't have Mila, you don't have to take a vitamin. You can have it in you can take it in through your skin. So yeah, this has got magnesium in it. It says it relaxes your mind and body. So I thought I'd try that for me and for the kids. It'd be good just before bed as well, because it's a lavender one. I know you are. All right. These body washes are for Dan, and then I needed some washing stuff, so I got the non-bio super concentrated liquid and antibacterial laundry cleanser. So that's everything that I got. I'll put the price on the screen, and then yeah, I will do the meal plan. Okay, so this is our meal plan, and this has been decided by Mila. So Monday we're going to have fish and chips, and then Tuesday we'll have chicken curry. I'm going to do a slow cooker chicken curry, I think. And then Wednesday I've just put fry up, but it's basically going to be bacon, sausages I think I've got in the freezer, eggs, beans and toast. And then tuna pasta on Thursday, kebab on Friday, and then Mila's birthday party is on Saturday, and she'll be having I think it's pizza and chips that they're having at the party, and then in the evening I'll do some party food, and then we'll have a roast on Sunday. But yeah, it's actually Mila's birthday on Monday, so yeah, I probably will video that and put that up soon. But yeah, anyway, that's our meal plan for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in the next one. Bye.